So, unfortunately, in my last video, it got copyrighted because I was playing music in the background. The music just, it's a nice little vibe. It's kind of weird when you're just talking and it's really quiet. Like, if I wasn't recording, I'd be listening to music or watching, like, videos in the background while I'm doing this. It does get a little bit boring. But, besides, I think it's better for you guys if there's no music too, because I can understand how that can be, like, a little bit distracting. But, I promised that I would continue this session with y'all, so let's just do it. Haven't done a lot of long-term backtesting because my trading has been fluctuating, but now that I'm feeling a lot more confident with my approach to the market, I can do the long-term backtesting sessions again more regularly. But yeah. With that being said, today is a Monday. We are taking previous day's low. This is clearly where we're going. Right now, we're like in the middle of nowhere a little bit, so I'm a little bit skeptical. It looks like, let's see, phase of price, we're expanding. Are we going to continue to expand? High of day is not set with anything, and we don't have a low of day that's set with anything. So, I mean, ideally, I'd want to go short, but we'll see, I guess. Yeah, because on the hourly right now, we're like consolidating in a way. High of days not set with anything. I would like to see a pullback. Wait a minute. We actually have an SMT here. Are we going? What? Because you can't take a trade unless. Oh yeah, because we took previous day's low, right? You can't take a trade unless you understand where you're going. The fact that we took previous day's low and the others haven't, that is an SMT. Ideally, I would like to trade lower, but we're already. Oh boy, do we have any news? No news Monday. So low of day actually is set with an SMT. Are we going higher then is the question. Because we already took this low on two of the assets, right? High of day isn't set with anything. Low of day actually is set with an SMT. So, theoretically, we kind of do already have a low of day. And, I mean, it's not like we really have much else to go to down here. So, I mean, we could retrace into the range. We're really low on the range right now, coming into the day. So, I mean, we could trade higher. Let's see if this SMT holds. So, let's go down to the 50-minute. We have an SMT putting in low of day on both assets. We kind of have a C2 right here right now, but I don't know. Shit, we're going up. Shit. Okay, we're going up clearly. Fuck. We did have SMT at these lows. I saw that, but we were kind of like really close to this, you know what I mean? So I was kind of like, what? It's basically a failure swing. Did we have a good entry there? Sorta. I mean, regardless, I missed it. I can't enter there anyways. Let's see if we get something else. We're getting another C2. We came into this fair value gap here. We also took this high, which is being SMT'd because all the other ones didn't take it. Low of days SMT, high of days not SMT, but we just put in an SMT. I'm not gonna lie, this is a bit confusing. This is not as clear as I would like it to be. And we're opening up a gap here, actually, so I think we're going higher. We put in a 15-minute model, right? So, okay, what I can do is see if we get a C3. If we're gonna go up, we'll have another 15-minute model pushing us up to the upside, but we can see if we get a. I don't think we're gonna get it. I think we're going up. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think downwards is the play. Yeah, you see that? SMT fill. So we would be looking for I don't know at this point. Hold on a minute. I might not take a trade just because I'm like really confused as to. I feel like we're going higher. SMT fill, right? We still have. It's only 10. The only issue is we do have an SMT here. This is barreling up to the upside. We don't have a actual. I don't like how this looks. So we have another C2, right? I just feel like we're high on the range now for me to even take anything. Anything I take at this point would be lower probability. We have another C2. We do have an entry failure to manipulate from here. If I take this, it will be lower probability. I can long, and we're long at the highest point of the day. I can't, nah, I can't do that. The only reason, though, is because we do have an SMT here, though. And actually, it's not the highest point of the day. So, technically, I think I can take this. But I don't think it'll offer 2R, though. No. No. And I don't know if I want to take a trade that doesn't have 2R potential. I'm not taking this. Let's see if it works out, though. I'm going to skip today. It's just really risky to take a trade here. It is SMT, don't get me wrong. And we do have a little bit more... But, like, 2R, though? I don't know about that. Let's see. Okay. We took the high, that's for sure. Do we get 2R? We're consolidating. So, I would have... Let's say I enter this, right? I would have been at break even. We took the high, as you can see. 2R potential. We SMT'd the high. And we came back down. So it would have been a break-even trade. Didn't make any sense. I think there was a trade opportunity here. We did SMT this low. My only thing is that, you know, it's a failure swing. And it's just the whole... Yeah, I don't know. I didn't really like that we were kind of like consolidating here. Yeah, I didn't like that. Yeah, I really didn't like that. We did SMT this low, but it's just not a significant level for me to comfortably take a trade from. And then not only that, it happened like literally at 3 o'clock, like literally at 9:30. Like literally 9:30, that like it literally just barreled up. Which is not typically what I would like to see. Yeah, so we're just gonna go to the next day. There was an opportunity, but yeah, no. Maybe if I had taken 1-to-1, but I don't really like taking 1-to-1s. It's just not my thing. So it's a Tuesday now. We took the high. We are C2ing that high. You can totally see us coming back down now, because I do believe that this is our draw, but you know, we couldn't short from here because this flow is relatively far, so we do need something to kind of slowly help us get down there. I'm gonna check. So I think we're going lower. I'm gonna check what do you call it? Phases of price. So the high is SMT'd. So that's good. So I'll be looking for a pullback, and I'll move lower. Yeah. High of day is hit with an SMT. We ideally shouldn't see that high again. Going to 1 hour. So I'm looking for a pullback to then go lower. Do we get down here? Probably not. but this is our closest low here. All right. Yeah, I need a significant pullback. I can't just... We opened up into that low. Unfortunate. All right. Yes, there's an SMT. Not a significant amount of one for me to like take a trade from. Can't do that. What the fuck? Are we perhaps... It is SMT. Are we perhaps going up from here? Oh, we hit a fair value gap. We did take the low SMT. Is that really what we're doing right now? And it's not really a failure swing. Right? That have some distance. Fair value gap could be an SMT putting in low of day, but that doesn't make any sense. It's 10 o'clock now. I think maybe the opportunity is a long opportunity. Hit that fair value gap. SMT that low. Could see this. I mean, regardless, I still have to wait for a continuation CISD anyways. So if we fail it, then we're probably going lower. So none of these. This is a CISD. None of this is a continuation CISD. Let's see if we can get... Okay, that would be a continuation CISD if we can take the high now. Unless... Okay. Unless we take... Okay. There we go. Let me just check. SMT low is SMT'd. It is a two-stage SMT. Yeah. The only difference... We're flipping. This is our... Okay, yeah. We can take this. Oh, fuck. This is actually not closed yet. Okay, never mind. We can't take that. And that's why we can't take it. A lot of consolidation. We're really heading towards that low. Fuck. And this is now becoming... This is now coming something we can't fade. We can't trade away from this now. Why? Because now these are becoming relatively closer to one another. This low here. But if it took it, it would be a... It'd be a SMT'd. Did not want to see it come all the way down here. Might not get another trade here. I just don't like how it's, it's already 10:48. We're kind of propelling downwards a lot. We need another C2 closure here. We got it. I need 2 stages. So, okay, so... SMT... Technically not the low of day. I could take this. Let's see, 42. Yeah, I could take this, technically speaking. But, does it make sense? Does it make sense to take this? We are respecting this fair value gap still. Can at the very least take it to this high. Does it make sense? We're failure swinging this low. We're failure swinging that low. We don't trade away from lows. Failure swings. I don't like how close those relatively are. But this would be our second CISD here. We have to trade higher to go lower anyways. Yeah, I think I can take this. Shit, I don't think it'll offer 2R though. Let's try it. Okay. Took these highs, that's why. Does it continue going up? Does it hit that high? Hit the high, break even. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to get up there. Might break even this trade. Let's see. Can we get up there, or are we going to come back and break even that? Oh, and we got there. Yeah, great. Cool. Nice. Didn't like the fact that we failure swung this low here. Really close. We don't trade away from equal lows. But why did I do it? SMT, time of day. It was very late in the day. So if we weren't going to get an opportunity, this was it. Oh, and then also we were consolidating here. At this point, if we want to go lower anyways, if we want to sweep out these lows anyways, we have to go higher first. You just have to. You can't just fall away from a consolidation. You have to manipulate it, go higher, and then switch gears to go lower. So just the logic of understanding how we move. Like, literally, you can't just, like, if we're failure swinging this, you can't just, like, boop, down. You know what I mean? You have to, like, actually you have to manipulate the low, then go higher, then to go lower. So yeah, and we could take this for CISD. Why? Because this is technically not the low of the day. It's SMT'd. We had to change the state of delivery, so I entered on this candle here and took it to ideally a little bit high, like take it to this high at least, but for 2 hour we would have to shoot past it. So I would ideally want to break even here, but honestly breaking even here would have been technically better. But I just decided to break even here. As you can see, it teeter-tottered there, which could have definitely pulled back against us, but it managed to break through it, thank God. And then we got our 2R. So yeah, that's that. Next day. So the key to finding bias is looking at the candle closures in relation to one another. Looks like a daily consolidation. And then looking at the phases of price. I find that it's easier to find out what the phases of price primarily on the 4 hour. Yeah, I find out the phase of price on the 4 hour, and then, 1 hour, I'll just, like, sometimes I'll use it to see if I can get, like, a sweep, because it's a lot more clear on the 1 hour if we're going to get a sweep or not, you know what I mean? But with that being said, that's it. And then you just need to find your 15, 30-minute model, and then, trying to get on side. I do think understanding these filters, though, helps. The model works. The strategy works. But understanding how to filter your trades, understanding what a continuation CISD looks like, understanding that you can't fade equal lows, understanding that time of day is really, really important, and just, lots of these factors, understanding what are the most important criteria for your trade, which is a point of interest, framing away from that, understanding that you can't take the first CISD at the high of day because you don't know if that is the high of day. That's why we take the continuation. If we are not at the high of day and we're trading the continuation, then you look for a continuation CISD. Understanding how to how price moves. You can't just fall away from a consolidation. Like, let's say you're bearish and you're consolidating. You can't just go lower from a consolidation. You have to go higher first, sweep out the highs, then go lower. Understanding that kind of logic as well. There's just like, the strategy is simple, but understanding the filters is what makes it a little bit difficult. I definitely do think the strategy is easier than on Forex than futures. Trading on futures, NASDAQ and S&P and all that stuff, it's a little bit more complicated. It's a little bit more involved, I think. But anyways, I think that gave me my... Did we get 6R? Falling short. Coming close though. You know what? If I can get those 3Rs, man, my R&R will jump. But like the opportunities that I've been getting don't offer 3R. So yeah, but so far I don't really like how this is looking. It's looking very... I think we have a CISD though. Might be pushing us up higher. I needed to stretch. What day is it? It's a Wednesday. Tuesday looks like we put in a CISD. Why do I keep saying CISD? I mean SMT, sorry. CISD here might be pushing us up to the high, because I mean the closest low is really far away, right? So we could go higher. Look, so then so right now, just off the candle closures, it's giving me a bullish signature, but does the phases of price support it? Let's see here. Looks like we're in a consolidation. 2 o'clock reversed price. Looks like we are going up. Probably to this high. Yeah. We are bullish. 2 o'clock reverse price. 6 o'clock should probably just be a continuation. And then where are we going? This high or the fair value gap? Yeah. Like, I want to, because now I understand the strategy a lot more clearly, I literally just need to get proof of concept, I guess. Not really concept, but, like, proof that I understand it now and that I can actually get good results with it. So, I want to, like, ideally trade at least 3 months consecutively, and, like, see what my R&R is. And I think the biggest thing with being successful at this is increasing my win rate to 50%. Obviously, this is kind of flawed because I have these other sessions here where I didn't really understand 100%, the filters and stuff like that. So I'm doing a lot better now. As you can see, a lot less losses. I do have a loss here, but compared to my wins, I think my wins right now it's operating at around a 50% win rate here. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 wins to 3 losses. So it's operating at about 50% win versus loss. But the thing that can really push my results, my R&R over the edge, is getting those 1 to 3s and also improving my accuracy. So if I can just push my accuracy a little bit more, if I'm just a little bit more right than I'm wrong, then the results will just compound like crazy. So I guess the next thing to do is just identify those 1 to 3s. I'm getting the direction right. It's just identifying whether what is being offered will give me that 1 to 3. And, just being right more times than I'm not. Which I think I am heading in that direction. It's just, to get the proof. Anyways, with that being said, oh, yes. Oh, fuck, yes. I really like how this looks. Hell yes. Consolidated, swept out the low, changed the state of delivery to the upside. Oh, my fuck. That's beautiful. Shit. Kind of SMTing right now, though, but I don't think it should be too much of a problem. I do think that this will help us reverse to come lower to then go higher, though, so I do like that. And we're already starting to come lower. I think the biggest thing that I just need to work on now, though, is, like, understanding strength switches, understanding what asset is the best asset to take the trade on. I really like how this is looking. Fuck. You don't see beautiful trades like this every day. We're really close to the draw, though, so... And then, in terms of... Okay, hold on. In terms of strongest asset, I think one way you can gauge it is by looking at premium and discount. I think. I'm not 100% sure. It's looking like YM is the strongest. Oops, what the hell? I'm hungry. Yeah, it's looking like YM. But I'm going to need to do some more research on that, how to determine, like, what the best asset is to take the trade on. So, right now I want to sweep, but because YM just looks so freaking, like, it's going to just do that. Fuck. The only issue that I have with this is that we need a proper pullback. I can't long the high of day. Like, I can't do that. You know what I mean? I need a proper, like, pull and then sweep. I will say that this is SMT, though. I can't do that. I'm sorry. I can't long the highs. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Yeah, that's better. That's much better. Yeah. Nah, I'm pretty sure this is protected. It is SMT though, but I'm banking on us going higher. I'm not. I do not think we're gonna continue to go lower. There we go. Fuck yes. All right. Oh god. Still not what I wanted to see, but whatever. Okay. If this is a CISD right there, we took this out. So right now we are SMTing, kind of failure swing, but it's not a failure swing actually because we SMT'd it, right? Shit, actually this is wrong. There we go. Did you guys hear that? God, I need something to eat. If we can get this, then we can take it. Let's see if we get... Oh, fuck, we didn't get it. Oh, shit. But this isn't closed for... Oh, my God. Shit, mother frigger. Ah, this is what I hate. Shit, shit, shit. Ah, what do I do? Why am I just already up there, man? Ah, fuck. Unless I play, like, a retracement. Let's see. If it takes a draw, then I have to just come out of it. Okay, we're in. Can we go up higher? Okay, we're barreling up there. I don't like how the fuck... Come on. There we go. Luckily, we got in. We're taking that high. Stops the break even. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. Did it protect me? It protected me. Okay. That's crazy. Stops the break even because we took this high. We took it on all the assets. So it has to go to break even at that point. Thank God I didn't take it all the way up here and took it here. That was smart on my part, thank God. With that being said, that is just crazy work. It's already 11, probably no opportunity. If we did 1-to-1, we would have gotten it. That's crazy. Okay. But we're failure swinging these highs here, right? We literally failure swing this high. Why the fuck did that happen? It really should have got up there. We failure swung these highs. I don't think I'll be looking to get back in here though because it's already like nearly 11. And the crazier thing is that we do have a C2 model. I don't know about this. Took the low. Not even a proper change in state of delivery. Yep. Yep. Fig. Shit, do I take this? This looks like a small fair value gap. Or am I tripping? It is. It gave me another opportunity to go long here. It looks like the 11 o'clock open low high. The weirdest thing is that it all failure swung this though. You would think that it would at least sweep it. I can't even tell. Are these equal? Oh, hell no. Sus. It's sus. It's just sus. SMT at the highs? I don't think I should even engage with this. Fair value gap, reversed price, came lower to then go higher. I have a change in state of delivery. I think we have a strength switch. I think NASDAQ is the strongest one now. Do I take it? Do I take it? Fuck. I don't know. I don't know. I could take it and then lower my risk. I mean, that's something I could do. It's just gonna affect my win rate, though. That's the only thing. See, I don't like how it's consolidating. Stops to break even. Why? Because we took this high and it's already it's like lethargic. I might actually even have to take this off at like, damn, not even. Damn, do you think we could get up there? Shit, you know what? Let's do this. See if we can at least get 2R out of this. I mean, we're going up. Huh, got it, okay. Lowered my risk on that one, though, but still got some money out of it. Hey. First one was break even, so... Right? Yeah, the first trade was a break even, and then this one... Wait, no, the first one was a loss? No, it was break even. It was break even, because I removed... It would have been $1,000, but I just remembered that I brought it down. Which is funny, because it's registering that I made more than that. Alrighty. Does it get up there, though? No, actually. Looks like I came out just at the right time at this high. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Got a little something from it. Alright. Oh, shit. Alrighty. Made the 6R. If it was a prop challenge, would have passed it. We're heading towards this low. Oh, fuck, we already took it. Oh, shit. Honestly, I'm so tired. I don't even want to do this anymore. As you can see, win rate is rising, meaning my accuracy has improved substantially. What kind of win rate do I want? Like a 56, 50, 57. I want higher than 50%. 50% would be nice, but I want like higher than 50%. I want like maybe 60% or 57%. Something higher than 50%. Even 55% would be cool. Yeah. 6R. I think I'm going to end this here, guys. I'm kind of tired. 30 minutes. Took 2 trades with you guys. Or was it 3 trades? I don't even remember. You saw it. I'm going to definitely record the rest of this month. And see, I really want to get like a 1 to 3 trade. So let's see if we can get like maybe like 10R, 9R on the month. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Accuracy is climbing. Starting to bridge the gap between my winners and losers. Definitely a 50% session month. 50-50. 3 losses, I believe, in this month, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. So yeah, 5 wins to 3 losses. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. If you have any questions, leave them down below.